So yeah, first time going to a car wash as the driver. So figured why not get a little video. This is a big 5, R5, something 5. So yeah, this will be uploaded when it's uploaded. So I guess point of view for those who don't really go through these kind of car washes. So yeah, did not know that. Yeah, I know neutral. Did not know the brake stuff until after I was told. But yeah. But yeah, the challenge part is that the way the antenna is on this car. That's going to be interesting. So it takes a little over a minute, so definitely not short territory. Drying agent. I got the full glass. It's like I want to make this car pretty before going up for inspection stuff, because getting car out of state, you gotta go through that stuff. So, but okay, that's a leak I'd have to contend with. Okay, but nothing I can do about it. But yeah, that's about it. Because we're about at the end. I gotta start driving soon. Yeah, stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.